Ever wonder what's hiding inside your air ducts? Over time, dust, allergens, and even mold can build up in your ductwork, affecting your air quality and your health. That's where ZyNex HVAC comes in. Our professional duct cleaning removes years of buildup so you can breathe cleaner, fresher air at home. We use advanced equipment to clean every corner of your duct system. Quick, thorough, and mess-free. Say goodbye to dust and hello to fresh air. Call ZyNex HVAC today for your professional duct cleaning service